Our high-mix low-volume production deliver more than 60 different PCBA boards and totally about 2,000 individual PCBA boards daily. We were looking for a solution capable of a fast assembly speed, but also high automation level and very fast setup changeover times. One of the reasons for our decision was the renting solution offered by SMT Renting, and finally the good service before, during and after the installation.
In the case of Kemptron, it synchronizes with inventory management systems to automatically adjust stock levels based on component used during pick-and-place operations. For the high-mix, low-volume production of Kemptron, the efficiency in the material preparation and handling is key. The warehouse solution can swiftly locate and retrieve materials from storage, reducing the time spent on manual searches. This feature ensures that the right materials are always available when needed, improving workflow and productivity. Panasonic's manufacturing execution software PanaCIM enables a seamlessly connected, just-in-time delivery of the components to the SMT line.
Still a young company, but already an old history. The mother company Kemppi built one of the first power frequency converters in the market. In 1977, the first welding inverter in the world. Kemptron Oy was established in 2024 as a spin-off from Kemppi's electronics department. Located in Lahti, the 130 employees are specialized in electronics manufacturing services, particularly for demanding applications in power electronics. Company's portfolio has more than 700 different active PCB boards, about 1,000 PCBs totally. Kemptron's capabilities include producing circuit boards, sub-assemblies, box building and power transformers and chokes, targeting industrial OEM clients who require custom power electronic solutions. Strategically, it made sense to separate the electronics manufacturing as an own company, serving two sister companies, but also other customers. Customers in Europe appreciate the value added and prototyping in Finland with its experience and dedication and service and quality. The floor space efficiency must be good, and the machines need to be easy to program for the operators and easy to integrate with other systems. Because we run in high-mix low-volume operation, we must be capable to make more than 10 setup changeovers per shift. We needed to get a machine that can handle this the best. The system we have set up ensures that wrong components cannot be put on the board by mistake. In power electronics control PCBs, there are lots of processors and controllers used, all placed on the board double side with both sides full of SMT components.